Anne woke up early in the morning with a smile on her face. The sun was shining softly through the window and birds were singing outside. Today was not a normal day. Today was Anne's birthday. She stayed in bed for a few minutes and thought about the day. She felt happy, excited, and a little nervous too. Anne did not know everything about the party, but she knew her family was planning something special. She slowly got out of bed, washed her face, and looked at herself in the mirror.
They sure are.
"Happy birthday, Anne," she said quietly and smiled again. Her room looked clean and calm, but her heart was full of joy. She wore her favorite blue dress because it always made her feel confident and comfortable.
Happy birthday.
When Anne went to the kitchen, she smelled something sweet. Her mother was baking a cake. The kitchen was warm and the air smelled like vanilla and chocolate. Anne's father was making tea and he smiled when he saw her.
And one for you.
"Good morning, birthday girl," he said.
These
Anne felt
decorations
very
look
loved at
great.
that moment.
The snacks are
Her
all
younger
set.
brother
This
ran
will be
into
a
the
great
kitchen and
party.
gave her a big hug. Everyone said happy birthday to her, and Anne felt her heart become warm. She sat at the table and drank her tea slowly. She enjoyed the simple moment with her family. She thought about her childhood birthdays and how fast time was moving. After breakfast, Anne helped her mother clean the house. She wiped the table, cleaned the living room, and arranged the chairs.
Happy birthday,
Soft
sweetie.
music played in the
Ready?
background.
Let them go.
Anne felt relaxed
So
and
pretty.
peaceful.
They sure
She did
are.
not rush. She knew the party would start in the evening. In the afternoon, she received many messages on her phone. Friends and relatives sent birthday wishes. Some messages were short and some were long. Anne read
Hi,
every
everyone.
message
Come on
carefully
in.
and
Happy
smiled.
birthday.
She
These are for
replied with
you.
kind
Thank
words
you.
and thanks.
They're beautiful.
She felt grateful because many people remembered her special day. Before lunch, Anne went
Here
to her
we go.
room and looked at an old photo album.
And one for
She
you.
saw pictures of her past birthdays. She
These
saw herself as a
decorations look
child
great.
with colorful
The snacks are all
balloons and
set.
big cakes.
This will be a great
She
party.
remembered laughter, games, and happy faces. These memories made her emotional, but in a good way. Anne closed the album and took a deep breath. "Today will be a beautiful day," she said to herself. She was ready for whatever the day would bring. In the afternoon, Anne started preparing for the birthday party. Her friends were coming in the evening, so everything needed to be ready. Anne and her mother decorated the
birthday,
living room
sweetie.
together.
Yay. Ready?
They hung
Let them
colorful
go.
balloons on the
So
walls and
pretty.
tied
They sure
ribbons to the
are.
chairs. The room slowly changed and became bright and joyful. Anne liked soft colors, so they used pink, white, and light blue decorations. On the table, they placed flowers in a small vase.
Hi, everyone. Come
The
on
room
in.
looked
Happy
simple but
birthday.
beautiful.
These are for you. Thank you.
Anne's mother
They're
worked on the
beautiful.
birthday cake carefully. It was a chocolate cake with cream on top. Anne helped by cutting fruits for decoration.
Here we go.
They talked while working and the time
And
passed
one for
quickly.
you. Thank you.
Anne felt happy because she was spending quality
These
time with her
decorations
mother.
look great.
Her father went to the
snacks are all
shop to buy
set.
drinks
This will
and
be a
snacks.
great party.
He returned with juice, soft drinks, and some sweets. Everything was slowly coming together. Later, Anne went to her room to get ready. She took a shower and chose a simple but nice outfit. She did not want anything too fancy. She wanted to feel comfortable and confident. She brushed her hair slowly and looked at herself again in the mirror. She felt proud of herself and grateful for her life.
Happy
She
birthday,
thought about her
sweetie.
goals,
Yay.
her dreams,
Ready?
and her
Let them
journey
go.
so far.
So pretty.
This
They sure
birthday
are.
felt different. It felt more meaningful. In the evening, the sun began to set and the sky turned orange and pink. The house looked warm and welcoming. Soft lights were turned on and music
Hi,
played
everyone.
quietly
Come on
in the
in.
background.
Happy birthday.
Anne
These
sat
are
on
for
the
you.
sofa and
Thank
waited.
you. They're
Her heart
beautiful.
beat faster. She felt excited to see her friends. She wondered who would come first and what surprises were waiting for her.
Here we go.
She took a deep breath and smiled.
And one for
The
you.
party was about to begin. Soon
These
the doorbell
decorations look
rang.
great.
Anne
The
stood up
snacks are all
quickly and
set.
walked to
This
the
will be a
door.
great
Her
party.
best friend was there with a big smile and a gift in her hand. "Happy birthday, Anne," she said loudly. Anne hugged her tightly. One by one, her friends arrived. Some brought gifts and some brought flowers. Everyone looked happy and excited. The house was filled with laughter and friendly voices. Anne felt truly happy. They talked, laughed, and shared stories. Some friends had not met each
Happy
other for a
birthday,
long
sweetie.
time, so
Yay.
they had many
Ready?
things to
Let them
talk
go.
about.
So
Anne moved
pretty.
around the
They
room
sure are.
talking to everyone. She felt loved and appreciated. After some time, her mother brought the cake to the table. The lights were turned off and candles were lit. Everyone sang "Happy Birthday" together. Anne closed her eyes and made a wish.
Happy birthday.
She did not say it out
These are for
loud,
you.
but she wished
Thank
for
you.
health,
They're
happiness,
beautiful.
and peace for everyone. Anne blew out the candles and everyone clapped. She cut the cake and shared it with
Here
her
we
friends and
go.
family.
Yay, cake.
The cake was
And one for
delicious,
you.
and people enjoyed it very much. They drank
decorations
juice,
look
ate
great.
snacks, and
The
took
snacks are
photos
all set.
together.
This will be
Some
a
friends
great party.
played soft music and others danced slowly. The atmosphere was calm and joyful. Anne felt relaxed and thankful. Later, Anne opened her gifts. Each gift was special because it came with love. Some gifts were simple and some were creative. Anne thanked everyone sincerely. She felt that the most important gift was not inside the boxes. It was the time, care,
Happy birthday,
and love
sweetie.
she received from
Ready?
people
Let
around
them
her.
go.
The
So
party
pretty.
continued
Sure
with
are.
conversations and smiles. Anne knew this birthday would stay in her memory forever. As the night grew late, friends slowly started to leave. They hugged Anne and wished her happiness again. The
Hi,
house
everyone.
became
Come on in.
quiet, but
Happy
Anne's
birthday.
heart was still
These are for
full.
you. Thank
She helped
you.
her
They're
family clean
beautiful.
up the room. They removed the decorations and washed the dishes together. Everyone was tired, but they were
Here we
smiling.
go.
Anne
Yay,
felt
cake.
peaceful and
And one
content.
for you. Thank you.
Later, Anne went to her room and
These
sat on her
decorations
bed.
look great.
She looked at
The
the
snacks
gifts
are all
and the
set.
photos
This
from
will
the
be
party.
a great party.
She felt grateful for her family and friends. She thought about how important it is to celebrate life and moments like these. Birthdays are not just about cake and gifts. They are about love, memories, and connection. Before going to sleep, Anne wrote a short message in her diary. She wrote about the smiles, the laughter, and the warm feelings. She promised herself to be kind, strong, and thankful in the coming year. She turned off the light and closed her eyes. A soft smile stayed on her face. Thank you for listening to
Happy
Anne's
birthday,
birthday
sweetie.
party
Yay.
in slow
Ready?
English.
Let them go.
If
So
you
pretty.
enjoyed this
Sure
story,
are.
please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. See you in the next slow English story. Smiling face with smiling eyes.